And now a fireside chat with the creators of Comedy Central South Park, Matt Stone and Trey Parker.
That was a hoot and a half. Sure was.
Hi, I'm Trey Parker.
And I'm Matt Stone, that is.
Oh, you nuts.
I'm spongelicious.
And this is Scratch. Say hi, old fella.
This episode is called Queer Eye for the Straight Dog.
We know it's all Scratch's favorite.
In this episode, we try to get two dogs pregnant, but they're both males. It's definitely a hoot and a holler.
You've got that right, Matt.
A lot of people say that animal rescue is cruel to dogs. What do you say to that?
We get that question asked a lot here, but frankly, we don't give a shit.
We'd like to answer this question with a bit of a fan mail.
To Matt and Trey, your show is great.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy Queer Eye for the Straight Dog.
I wanna give it all to you.
Yeah. Oh, hey, Paul, yeah. What? I'm late for animal rescue! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it!
It's a curious thing. Make a one man weep, make another man sing. Change your heart to a little white dove. More than a feeling,
Damn it!
that's the power of love.
Hey, sweet stuff. How you going? Oh, damn it!
Moment night. Don't need money, don't take fame. Don't need no credit card to ride this train. Starting is sudden, it's cool sometimes, but it might just save your life.
Now that my moment of terror has ended, welcome to the Paper White House, a festering cesspool of people who don't care for their animals. Today, we're going to find out just how badly they treat their animals. Shut up! And for us to say hello to our people we're trying to help. Hello, young man. We're trying to get both your male dogs pregnant here today on Animal Rescue.
But I didn't ask for any animal people.
Paul? Shit. What are you doing? What, mate? Hello, and welcome to a very homosexual episode co-titled Queer Eye for the Straight Dog.
Things just keep getting better. You came into my life, and my world never looked so bright.
everybody, and welcome to the second episode, count them two, second episode of Animal Rescue.
Thank you. This show's a lot better than that episode of Churnside Creek we did in the 70s.
I don't wanna wait for my lunch to get colder. Why can't I eat it now? I don't wanna wait for the new Toyota. I want the car that's got a lot of gas. Come on, Joey, I wanna be with you.
No, Dawson, I'm not ready.
Oh, come on, you saw me on that boat. I was wearing a blazer.
I want to save it for the man that I married.
Come on, that's stupid.
No, Dawson, I just feel uncomfortable.
I mean, come on, everyone's doing it. Let's just go nuts. I mean,
No,
come on.
no, Gavin, no. You went too far, man. You win.
Sorry, Paul.
Do something else to make money.
And we'll be back.
Now it's time for us to capture our prey.
Oh, hey guys. Yeah. Come on! Damn it! You can try and capture the dog. They're very subtle movements. Gavin, go. I've got your back. Go. Shit! Oh, shit! Damn it! Come on! Oh, damn it! Paul, get down here right now!
No, you're just gonna yell at me.
Damn right, I'm gonna yell. You can push me in the pool!
I'm going to prison, aren't I?
Yes. How the hell are we gonna catch him now? God damn it! Wait. Can you cut that? Just cut it there.
Yeah,
Michael, can you please get me a towel? I seem to have wet myself when I went in the pool. And can you give me another towel? I seem to have cracked my pants.
Should you wet the towel?
Put the towel down.
Gavin, I know you're mad at me, but I'm gonna tell you a joke. How's that?
It better be a good one.
Okay, hang on a second. Okay, I got it. A black guy walked into a bar and...
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh, I was just telling a joke. So anyway, the gentleman paid their tab and couldn't have been more courteous.
Using our animal expertise, we were able to catch both the dogs.
Wait, I caught the dogs.
This is even more embarrassing than the time I locked my keys out of my car. Ah, damn it! Sir, can you get my keys, sir? Ah, screw you! No!